Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Desi Jade speaking, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did these passion twists on my best friend. So it's not really a tutorial, I'm just showing you. If you would like an in-depth video, go ahead and comment that down below. But as you can see, I put the crochet needle under the ponytail and I'm pulling one half of the hair through, and I'm just putting that into a little knot. So for her hairstyle, we're actually going to be braiding it down until her real hair stops, and then we're going to start the twist, because we had a few trial and errors and her hair just wasn't really camouflaged in the twist because of the two different textures. So we found this to be the best way for us. So as you can see, I'm just zooming out so you guys can see when and where I actually stop the braiding part, which I think I'm about to start pretty soon because her hair is coming to an end. And the reason why I call this a fail is because it took us so long to figure out the right technique to work for her hair type, because everything wasn't working. Everything we tried wasn't working, and then we found a video with the girl braiding the top, so we decided to try that and it worked finally. But here I am starting the twist part because her hair ended, and then I'm just going to go all the way down to the bottom. So with a lot of the passion twist videos that we've watched and came across, to seal the end of it, they usually just twirl it around their fingers. But eventually we found that putting a little bit of edge control helped our little twirl at the end to stay. And that is one finished twist, you guys. So here's after I did a lot more. I was doing the back part and she was doing the front part to make it go by faster. They actually turned out to look really good, and you honestly can't even really tell that the roots are braided. But overall, they came out pretty good. It was just a long process for us because we had to figure out how to do it and the right way to do it for her. But after we figured it out, we were kind of on a roll, so that's good. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you would like an in-depth video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.